Storm Tracker weather starts now with meteorologist Joey Bianconi.
All right, welcome back everybody, and happy first day of summer. Boy, are we treated to a nice sunrise over the big belts right here. The sun just cresting over the mountains, causing a little glare in our camera right now. 44 degrees, so a little bit warmer than where we were at yesterday, but it's still pretty cold out there. Great Falls, we are in the 30s right now, 39 degrees, 96% humidity. So we do have the chance of seeing some patchy fog again today, but it's not going to be as widespread as it was yesterday. No dense fog advisory out there. So a lot of western Montana still very cold, into the upper 30s, even the mid 30s in places like Butte and Dillon. We're at 44, a little bit of a warm spot in Helena. We're out in the 40s and even the 50s in eastern Montana to start out our morning. So here's a look at the 24-hour temperature change, just a few degrees warmer than where we were at yesterday. We set record cold temperatures yesterday for our morning lows. Visibility right now is pretty good across the state, but again, there could be some isolated patches of some dense fog out there this morning due to those cold temperatures, and the dew points right around that. So we'll rise up in temperatures very drastically today. We'll be at about 80 degrees in Helena, 78 by 5 p.m. Wind is going to be light today as well, which is a good thing, and it's going to stay light throughout this weekend. We'll have some strong wind return to the state Sunday and Monday. The radar, not really looking at much. Maybe just a couple light showers to the north and west of Fort Peck Lake there. But for the overall United States, well, relatively quiet morning, some storms going into the Minnesota area, but we do have newly named Tropical Storm Alberto just about to make landfall in northern Mexico. Gave Corpus Christi and Brownsville a lot of rain yesterday and into this morning, but it also is affecting our weather. I showed this yesterday, how the moisture can be transported all the way from northern Mexico up towards Montana. Notice those lighter colors up there giving us enough moisture to get some storms going today and tomorrow, especially out in central and eastern Montana, where we do have those higher values of moisture being transported towards the north by this low pressure Tropical Storm Alberto as it makes its way through Mexico. So for today, storms will be isolated. Maybe a shower or two pops over the southwestern mountains, but our futurecast isn't showing anything, but I think we could get one or two. Most of the activity today is going to be in eastern Montana, specifically northeastern Montana. We could get a few thunderstorms out there overnight tonight. We'll have a few lighter showers form early tomorrow morning in western Montana, making its way towards Great Falls to start out our morning tomorrow. But tomorrow is going to be the very wet days. We'll have a disturbance moving through the state, and I think a few of these storms could actually be on the strong to severe side, especially in north central and eastern Montana. Watch how this system here develops in the next coming hours. Look at this nice little cell coming towards Havre, just to the north of Great Falls, some pretty heavy thunderstorms. And then as we move on into the overnight hours, this is a classic MCS, or mesoscale convective system. We could see some pretty strong wind with this type of storm that forms moving into the Glasgow area around 8 p.m. and then it moves off into the Dakotas early Saturday morning. So first day of summer, happy first day of summer. It's going to be warm out there. We'll be around seasonal average, 76 in Great Falls, 80 degrees isolated in Helena, but we will continue the warming pattern into the weekend. Again, we could have stronger storms on Friday, especially north central and eastern Montana, but check out the temperatures for this weekend. Dry and very hot. We're in the mid 90s in Helena.